Your liver works 24 hours a day to filter toxins, process nutrients, and keep your body healthy. But unhealthy foods, alcohol, stress, and pollution can put extra pressure on it. The good news? These 9 natural drinks may help support your liver and overall health. Let's get started. Start your morning with warm lemon water. It's refreshing, keeps you hydrated, and supports your body's natural detoxification process. While it doesn't magically detox your liver, staying hydrated helps your liver function efficiently. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which may help protect liver cells from oxidative stress. Enjoy 1 or 2 cups daily without adding sugar. Beetroot juice contains natural nitrates and antioxidants that support healthy blood flow and may reduce inflammation, helping your liver stay healthy. Need hydration? Cucumber and mint water is refreshing, low in calories, and helps you stay hydrated, an important part of maintaining a healthy liver. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Pair it with a pinch of black pepper to improve absorption. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that support immunity and overall wellness. This comforting drink combines ginger, lemon, and honey to support digestion and soothe the body after meals. Carrots provide beta-carotene, while oranges deliver vitamin C. Together, they create a delicious drink full of nutrients that support overall health. Remember, no single drink can detox your liver overnight. The best way to support your liver is by eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and limiting alcohol. Which of these healthy drinks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple health tips.